You've probably seen ads for online estate planning forms. Wills, trusts, or powers of attorney that you can just fill out yourself. This is a what doesn't work topic. Online forms are cheap, but they're just forms. They can't help you decide who would be the best guardian for your children or who could make financial decisions for you. And they certainly can't make sure that your documents are signed correctly in a way that makes them valid. Online form trust templates can't guide you through trust funding, which is a critical piece of having a trust. Statutory forms can't help you decide which powers to grant on your financial power of attorney or help you express end-of-life care wishes on your advanced care planning document.